Okay, now we're going to replace the cartridges on this Moen faucet, and I'm using, they sent me 1224s B, I don't know what that means, but 1224s for this particular model. What you're going to need is a little flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need a Phillips and a little pair of pliers, unless you have a cartridge removal tool. But what I'm going to do here is take these caps off. Okay, see these caps. Let me see if I can get a better view here. You could probably, yeah, you don't really need that screwdriver. You can just use your fingernail. And then you want to unscrew this nut. You unscrew this so you can pull the handles off. Yeah, this thing's been dripping for like a month. It's been driving me nuts. Nothing worse than a dripping faucet. Other than a leaky pipe. So, we've got the handles off. You're gonna have to unscrew this nut. See, in the directions, it didn't say nothing about unscrewing this thing. But of course, the directions didn't sum up everything. Okay, there we go. Now, you want to clean this goop if you got any. You cleaned all that up. Take your pliers and work this. You're gonna have to kind of work this out here. Be careful when you're raising up on this to move that, because I probably would have yanked up and hit that arch. That would have not been pretty. So, here we go. Man, these are tough. Of course, somebody has to call right in the middle of this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. One thing is you want to do. I was working on this, try to get it out. Hold on. If you can get it above just enough to get the screwdriver underneath, you can kind of work it. It's a lot easier. So I just put that under that lip there, and then just keep working on it. These things are a little tough. I guess that's why Moen gives you a tool on certain models. Of course, mine didn't have a tool. But yeah, I want to be careful because I don't want to break anything. But man, they don't make it easy. Okay, got that out. So yeah, this is the cartridge. This is the hot one, so it's probably the one leaking, but they say to go ahead and replace them both. If one's leaking or you don't know, you might as well replace them both, because eventually they'll probably leak. There's just water in there, that's all that is. So now you want to line it up. There's a little lip See if you can see this right here, or a little thing right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you just want to line that up as you drop this in the hole. If you line it up wrong, you're not gonna get it to work. So it just goes in easy. Just getting it out's pretty tough. So and then you know, so we'll screw that nut back on there. Snug. I wouldn't go too tight on it. Okay. That's tight enough. I believe. Make sure. Don't want it not tight, but I don't want it. Might need a different wrench on that one. So you want to just tighten that up, but not overly tight, so to where you can't get it fixed later. I don't know if this is a better wrench or not. That one keeps slipping. Yeah, this is a better one, but kind of cuts into it. Jeez. Okay, that's good enough for me. Alright, I'm going to do the other side. Move that out of the way. We're going to go ahead. But anyway, now that we got that, I'll put the handles back on. Now we got to figure out how they go. Now that the handles are on, let's screw this thing down. Let's see what we got, alright? Crossing my fingers. Turn that water back on. Underneath. Okay. Check the leaks. Everything's good. I'm going to check underneath. Okay, there's nothing. No leaks, nothing. Water flows a little weird because I shut the water off for a little bit, but that'll straighten up. And yeah, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. So that's how you replace. That was the first time replacing those, so I was a little rusty, but that's how you do it. Hope that helps. Thanks. See you now.